This January on Carlton, join some familiar favourites and some new faces.
I'm not staying here a minute longer than I have to.
Programmes that provoke. And programmes that entertain.
I don't want my windscreen cleaned. I feel totally intimidated now.
To me, limo equals glamour.
From limos to a day in the life of London. And a day in the life of those boys in blue.
I'd like a word. Yeah?
Did you manage to see Terry over Christmas?
Aye, I did. Wish I hadn't been terrible.
A wealth of entertainment from all corners of the world.
That's Wish You Were Here on ITV.
Mr. Daly.
I believe you are trying to bribe me. As it were? No.
How dare you suggest such a thing?
Sorry to alarm you, Watson.
Ethnic cleansing is Arcan's specialty.
A bright new look to January on Carlton. Television for London.
Next tonight, Eddie Murphy and Dudley Moore star in Best Defence, the chaotic story of some unlikely industrial espionage. That's our comedy movie in just a moment.
If you get a headache, you just don't feel very bright. And if the pain gets worse, it can really get you down. To stop bad pain, try a painkiller with something extra. Soluble Anadin Extra, 40% more pain reliever than many ordinary tablets. New Anadin Extra Soluble. Turns off pain.
You frightened the life out of me.
Sorry, just checking to see if you were alone.
Well, I was hoping for a quick bite while the milkman's upstairs making the bed. Do you want some?
Okay.
Better make some gravy then. So, what brings our very own captain of industry back? No power lunch today?
No, just fancied a chat. Gravy. Cornflour.
This is all you need.
Oh.
Sounds ominous.
Well, the thing is, Mum, I'm leaving home.
Is it something I said?
I'm getting a flat with Kim.
Well, you're practically living together, aren't you? Anyway, it'd be no fun, would it?
How's that?
Cooking for one.
Ladies, synchronize watches.
Oh, sorry.
There's a spread that's high in polyunsaturates,
Sorry. Sorry.
low in saturates,
Don't you shush me.
and contains virtually no cholesterol.
Over here, girls.
But the word is, it's made with buttermilk
1, 2, 3.
for a fresh butter-like taste.
Keep up, Dora.
I can't believe it's not butter. Can you?
Introducing a new twist in hairstyling, Jet Spray. Or at the turn of a button, Mist Spray. New Harmony Protectives Fixing Spray Plus.
I've been asked to test Radion Micro Plus. They say it tackles the most difficult horrible stains. Sounds great. Just hope it's true. Well, you can't get a better clean than that. Colour's great, and it smells pretty good too. Let's have the ball, John.
Get more out. Put Radion in.
Come on, Dad.
You're playing Vicky, not Andre Agassi.
Don't be so sure.
Agassi.
Hi, call me Andre.
Nescafe, Andre?
You bet. Nescafe sure is coffee at its best. That's the best thing served me all week. Who's up for doubles?
Yeah!
The best days are Nescafe days.
Call party lines on 0898 21 21 21. Probably the most exciting place to chat and make new friends. Just dial 0898 21 21 21.
New Cadbury's Timeout is a wafer snack with a difference. A layer of Cadbury's flake chocolate. Now, when you take a break, take a time out. Forceps.
Forceps.
Retractor.
Retractor.
Spinning thing.
Spinny thing.
The president is now stable, Dr. Billy!
Billy takes time out.
The first time a hero was born. You believed a man could fly. This time,
Guilty. He's not just battling to save the Earth.
Is there no one on this planet to even challenge me?
Superman! He's fighting for his life. Christopher Reeves in Superman 2, the New Year's Day action-packed movie on Carlton.
At 3:15 this morning, the return of that legendary private eye, Mike Hammer. There's comedy now, though, as Dudley Moore and Eddie Murphy star in our late movie, Best Defense.
This is
Carlton!
Mother